ListHDFS and FetchHDFS in Apache NiFi. Here we consider ListHDFS and fetch. Here we are considering pulling. A different pulling scenario involves performing a listing operation on primary node. And distributing result across cluster via site to site to pull the data in parallel. This typically involves list and fetch processor, where the list processor produces instructions or tasks for the fetch processor to act on. An example of this scenario is shown in this diagram with list HDFS and fetched HDFS. List HDFS is scheduled to run on the primary node and performs a directory listing, finding new files since the last time it executed. The results of the listing are then sent out list HDFS as flow files, where each flow files contain one file name to pull from HDFS. These flow files are then sent to the remote process group connected to an input port in the same cluster. This causes each node in the cluster to receive a portion of files to fetch. Each fetch file processor can then fetch the files from HDFS in parallel. Here you can see node 1 primary and node 2. List HDFS is connected to RPG here, and also HDFS here, and RPG is connected to input port in node 1 and input port in node 2. Input port is connected to fetch HDFS, and fetch HDFS is connected to HDFS. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.